Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function globals. Hello, Python enthusiasts. Today we're talking about the globals function, a powerful tool for accessing and managing the global namespace in Python. By the end of this video, you'll know how globals works, when to use it, and how it can be a game changer in dynamic programming. Let's get started. What is globals? It's a built-in Python function that returns a dictionary representing the global namespace of the current module. Here's the syntax. Simply globals, with no argument. The function takes no arguments and always returns the global namespace dictionary. The keys in this dictionary are the names of global variables, and the values are their corresponding values. So why use globals? It gives you programmatic access to the global variables in your current module. You can inspect, modify, or dynamically add global variables during runtime. It's particularly useful for debugging, dynamic execution, or managing configurations. You'd use globals when debugging or inspecting the global namespace to understand your program's state. When you're dynamically adding or modifying global variables, or when you're building advanced features like dynamic imports or custom execution environments. However, use it with caution to avoid making your code harder to maintain. Let's start with a simple example, viewing all global variables in the current module. Here, globals returns a dictionary containing X and Y, along with other built-in or predefined globals. You can use globals to dynamically add variables to the global namespace. In this example, we add new var to the global namespace at runtime using the globals dictionary. Globals also let you modify existing global variables dynamically. Here, we update the value of X through the globals dictionary, and the change is reflected globally. Globals is also handy for debugging. Let's see how. In this example, inspect globals prints all global variables and their values, helping you debug the program state. You can combine globals with dynamic execution using exec. Here, the dynamically executed code modifies the global namespace by adding z, which we access after execution. Before we wrap up, here are some important notes about globals. It's best to use globals sparingly. Manipulating the global namespace can make code harder to read and maintain. It only works with the global scope of the current module. It won't access variables from other modules. Use it responsibly to maintain clean and predictable code. And that's the globals function. To recap, it gives you access to the global namespace as a dictionary. You can inspect, modify, or dynamically add global variables. While powerful, use it judiciously to avoid code complexity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!